Hello everyone, Tom here. I know it's been a few weeks, but I thought I'd do a video. Now, in here I have Antivirus System 2011, and I'm going to show you it today. Now, as it goes, my removal videos are pretty much the same, so I thought that I'd just simply show you, sort of the features of it, and what it does. So it's saying that we've got all these infected files and stuff. It's all a load of crap, really. Yeah, and no, but I thought that I would sort of show you how to remove it with like malware bites and stuff. But like I'm sort of going to just be focusing on the actual sort of interface and that, because that's the bit that we haven't seen before. So if I just go full screen here. It's telling us that we've got all these viruses that don't exist. And yeah, so I don't really get the severity system rating on this, because like all we've got is like critical and severe, and that could like mean the exact same thing, We can stop the scam, stop that annoying voice. So it brings us up with this. So and that's, by the way, after stopping the scan. That's how you can tell that this is fake. It's doing that as if the scan has finished when I've actually just stopped it. Anti-spyware software warning: your computer is infected with spyware and malware. So we've got keygen.nero. I'm not being funny, but a keygen is like an illegal software crack. It's not always going to be virus infected. We've got a downloader.blb and just all these fake little threats that pops up. Some of these actually do not exist, by the way. Some of these are just like made up names and stuff. So yeah, it prompts us to activate the software. Here, what you want to do is, well, I don't know. Let's just try putting the fake license. No. License information is incorrect. Please check your input. If you feel there's an error, please contact customer support by email, blah 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 blah, or by clicking support. Now, I'm not being funny, but this is ridiculous. It's ridiculous because, you see, this is like an unactivated version. So let's just say that I actually went ahead and bought this, and I was about to put in my key. Let's say the key doesn't work. Well, it's still unactivated. I go ahead and click support. Sorry, live support is only available for licensed software customers only. Would you like to obtain full licensed version of Antivirus System 2011? But yes. But of course, you see, the problem here is that I've bought a license key, but I can't enter it in, so it's absolutely ridiculous. So anyway, we can't clean any of the threats like usual. If we go to the firewall, we can stop the firewall. We can click on a rule, remove the rule. I'm actually allowed to change the rules in here. I mean, they don't actually do anything, but we're allowed to do stuff. Edit the rule. I really do not get it, to be honest. Yeah. Add a rule, we can't do that. Or we can, reset to default and it'll put the... But, it doesn't make any sense, does it? It's just... It makes absolutely none, because it says application any, UDP both, some fake IP, scan option, you can say quick scan, very deep scan, manual scan. Settings, I'm gonna check off that. I can't uncheck that. That really makes it legitimate, by the way. It doesn't. Sound enabled nearly deafens you sometimes, but it won't actually let you turn it off. I'm going to try applying all these, and it lets us apply them, except for the ones that are greyed out. Now, this is interesting right down here. Latest scan results, 98 infected files. Quarantined objects, number of quarantined objects, 95. So, it's saying that, like, it's gotten rid of some when it, supposedly hasn't. And this is interesting down here because it says trial version. It means a version of the software to be used only to review, demonstrate, and evaluate the software for an unlimited time period. Converting to a full license is easy. Well, we can't actually, test it out because it doesn't do anything. Okay, and we've got the update thing. We like to update, yes. Has like a little, by the way, it has like a little Vista thing. I think that's actually really, I think it must be really smart to have somehow gotten Vista shell. There's also a proxy thing. This feature will be released at the next version, I think. I mean, I don't know what's the point of a proxy button if this thing's, like, fake anyway. Now, at the application's home, I find this very interesting. Okay, so, there's a few things that make sense here. That's like a really annoying pop-up that comes up anyway. By now. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, so system scan. I'm seeing what I would want to see. I'm seeing something that, I can scan with, so, a magnifying glass. Settings. Very often do I see a cog in settings. Scan options. I don't think I've ever seen a chip or a piece of RAM. Updates. Am I running? No. Firewall. Close enough. But that and that, absolutely, totally random. That's just, me pointing a couple of things out. Help. Brings us to the Antivirus System 2011 site. Gives us an FAQ. Now, if we go to the buy page, by the way, come on. This darn thing. It's all totally locked up. Just check the time. Okay, only 8 minutes. Cool. Right, okay, so, and now it seems it's like blocked out the screen. Okay, this is not cool. And it's the same as the Antivirus Studio. It's the same as that, isn't it? Because, we can see that it's very similar. It's got all these weird, long names in here. Extract Windows. System Microsoft R. Security Manager. Scanner. Yeah, absolutely random. End Explorer, because it just simply will not let us do anything. Just gonna launch the Rogue again so we can get back to that site. So, oh, shut up. Help. Close it down now. Okay, so if we go to the buy page, as I was trying to before, oh my god. You might want to, when you're getting rid of this, by the way, you want to go to your volume control and hit mute, because it's actually pretty loud. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna leave out the buy page because this is getting ridiculous. At the buy page, the I think like the cheapest amount or something is like 64 quid. So it's pretty pricey, you know, considering it's totally useless. When I actually infected this machine, by the way, I did not actually intend to download it, but let's see, is there anything more to show you with this? It's infecting other computers, blah blah blah. Okay, let's browse through a website. No, in the Internet Explorer. The application Firefox.exe was launched successfully, but it was forced to shut down due to security reasons. This application infected by a malicious software program which might present damage for the PC. It is highly recommended to make a full scan of your computer and to exterminate the malicious programs from it. Oops. And now we've got oh my god, it's totally locked up. We've got like performance issue, suspicious object. Now these probably not on the system at all. Or it could be that this actually has signatures to detect those things and it'll only delete them if you actually buy the software. So it, you know, might be that it's sort of in a way legit, but you know, I don't know. So let's just try browsing a few common websites here, just to see like what it does and all that stuff. Okay, it's taking a bit of time to get to this page. This is getting really annoying now. And you know, Internet Explorer is just crashing because of oh my god. Let's see what's happening in here. Okay, well, looks all okay then. Download. No, let's try malwarebytes.org. Okay, that's actually pretty good because this is commonly blocked actually, so it's good that we can get there. Let's try. What should we try next? Download.com. Well, you can see that it is indeed. Okay, so it is, you know, It really is taking a long time to get to sites and stuff. So this one is pretty bad. But I was sort of wanted to show you like a little something that was a bit similar from when I did Antivirus Studio. But hey, now this time it says 72 infected files, and it always says that 3 could not be fixed. So that's what it's saying in essence, isn't it? So right now I'm going to reboot the machine into safe mode, and I'm just going to show you what to do. So what you want to do is spam F8. You go into safe mode for networking, Windows XP Professional, or if you're on Windows 7, just choose safe mode with networking, and that'll be it. Click on your username. You have to click yes. Okay, so we're in safe mode. Right click computer, click properties, system restore, turn off with system restore, apply, yes. Turned off, okay. Go ahead and grab Malwarebytes. Okay, it takes you to Major Geeks. It's a pretty popular site, pretty legit, so it's an okay site to go to, so don't feel worried about it. I'm going to save that to the desktop. See if there's anything running here. Yeah, that's why you have to boot up into safe mode, because there's absolutely no viruses running. So it's just like having a normal computer, and you can just kill everything off. I'm gonna go here, go to System Tools. I'm gonna run a disk cleanup. Okay. I would prefer using CCleaner, but to be quite frank, I just don't want to make the video any longer. Here's the famous Malwarebytes now getting installed. Such a great little program, this. I prefer the free version, to be honest. That's why I say that you just like I think that my antivirus is okay. I just like run this as an on-demand scan. Okay, so just wait for this to come up. Right, okay, so I'm going to go to update, check for updates. If your computer is this badly infected, you want to check terminate Internet Explorer. I personally think 1 day is enough for something to be out of date. Scanner settings, have all those checked. Unwanted programs, you definitely want those checked. And if you do not have any P2P software like uTorrent, definitely check that. So I have all these like this, showing results list and check for removal. So after, messing around, changing the settings, do most definitely check for updates. And you, the people at home, what you want to do is perform a full scan. Because I just want to get this video done with, I'm going to say quick scan, but you always perform a full scan, okay? I'm not trying to, sound all stern and unkind. I'm just making a point. I'll be right back, guys. See you in a minute. Just thought I'd show you this. So we're at 30 seconds, and we found 14 objects already. Wow. I must say, by the way, that the new Malwarebytes version does certainly scan a hell of a lot faster. Just has this little place where the counter just jumps from 1,000 to 24,000. That's amazing. So yeah, see you in a minute. Okay. So the scan completed successfully. Click show results to display all infected objects. 36 found out of 122,666. 1 minute 30 seconds. Impressive. So this is pretty bad. Got a rogue.agent.gen. And now this is something else I wanted to point out. Now many times a rogue would not go into the program files, but right here it's actually embedded itself into another program's files. And right here where it says browsercoms 1.92 blah 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 blah, that is clearly, I would bet, is stopping Firefox from running. Look, see, like there's all these ones with C program files on it. So yeah, it's installed itself into the user profile and application data. It's where the actual core of the program is. So make sure all of those are checked. Click remove selected. It brings up the log. You can most definitely read this later, so just close it. You need to restart, click yes, and just let it restart into normal mode. I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I've booted back up, and boom, the virus seems to have pretty much gone now. We look in Task Manager, and yep. Now I noticed that after doing the actual removal of the virus, that if you go into your Task Manager, there should, if you're on Windows XP, there should usually be alg.exe there, and I'll show you how to fix this. If you go to Control Panel and you go to Administrative Tools, go to Services, and you'll also notice that the Security Center has actually been bypassed and it's been disabled. So look, see, that's actually been disabled by the virus, and the red shield that you saw down there earlier was not by Microsoft, but it was by Antivirus System 2011. So you want to right click on that, click Properties, click Automatic, Apply, click Start, and there you go. For ALG, right here, just hit Start, and you're back to normal. That's it. So just close these two windows. I would definitely say that you should go ahead and scan with some other product right now. Do not leave it at Malwarebytes, okay? You do need to scan with a few scanners. But I might actually do sort of like, I might actually go ahead and sort of review programs individually. So, actually do a review on a certain antivirus and how well it actually, cleans things up. So thanks for watching this video. I hope that you liked it. Please do subscribe if you like my videos, and please do see some of my other videos. Thanks for watching now. Have a good night.